Hello, movers and shakers! I'm super excited to invite you to something truly special. The Color Your Calm workshop, which is a personal mental wellness workshop. This experience is designed for those who are ready to pause, reflect, connect, and rise to next and to better. So if you've been craving a moment to breathe in a luxurious, intentional environment, this is for you. So, of course, everybody's a little bit nervous about what to expect. No worries. Let me explain to you. I will walk you through what our powerful 3-hour workshop experience is going to be. Hour 1, networking with a purpose. We are going to begin meeting the beautiful community people with meaningful connection. We're not just going to make small talk, but we're going to have empowered conversations. Don't be worried if you're not sure what to say, how to say, what's going on. You're going to receive inspiring meet and greet prompts that are designed to spark reflection, confidence, and authentic dialogue. This is your opportunity to connect with like-minded, growth-oriented individuals in a space that is curated for community and for elevation. Hour 2, the empowerment auction time. Okay, this is where we're going to bring energy into the room. We're going to have an interactive auction experience. It's all going to be new. It's all going to be exciting. You're going to get Tammy dollars, Hills dollars, and Flame dollars. That's going to allow you to bid on programs, services, and curated offerings from organizations within the Empower Innovate movement. This means those organizations are Strategic Coaching and Consulting Services from Tammy Services Corporation. Hello, Tammy dollars. Elevated Event Planning and Celebration Experience from Flame Delights. Hello, Flame dollars. And Impactful Initiatives from Hills and Valleys Nonprofit Organization. Hello, Hills dollars. So, all of that is great, but we've even got a greater part of it all. 10% of the proceeds from Tammy Services Corporation and Flame Delights will be donated to Hills and Valleys Nonprofit Organization, which is supporting the empowerment of individuals and communities to live their fullest potential. All of this is empowerment in action. So Hour 3 is our coloring and reflection experience. We are going to transition into calm, but we're going to transition and participate in a guided coloring and reflection exercise. This is a mindful experience which is designed to help you reset, refocus, and realign your energy. This is your intentional pause. This is your mental wellness reset. And this is your moment to breathe deeply and color your next chapter. So, of course, you're wondering why you should attend. Well, this workshop is for individuals who want a positive mental health pause, a luxurious and unique atmosphere, community connection, practical empowerment tools, and an opportunity to grow personally and professionally. So, this is your call to action. You must purchase your tickets prior to the workshop. I'm preparing for you, so I need to know those numbers. Secure your seat, invite a friend, share the experience. This is how we're going to grow. This is how we're going to have community with different sets of people, not just people who I know. I'm looking forward to meeting so many new people as well. So, also, if you want to create your own event with style, grace, and individuality, please feel free to reach out to me, Tammy at TammyServices.com. I love to collaborate. So let's meet, let's connect, let's rise together. Your next level is waiting, and I look forward to welcoming you at our Color Your Calm workshop. See you soon, beautiful people. 7 to 10, March 14th at the Rockcliffe Community Park Community Center. See you soon. Bye.